All right, that's out of the way. Welcome back to the Crypto Lodge. It's Tuesday, April 1st. Finally out of April. So, I mean, June 1st. It's Tuesday, June 1st. Atari's looking good here. 14 cents, pumping up. We're not here to talk about that. Let's look at Bitcoin. Remember that wedge I drew? Popped right on out. Bounced off of it twice. Almost bounced off it twice there. And we're up and out of it and looking pretty good at the moment. Ethereum. Let's see what kind of lines I drew there. Okay. Well, I expected it to come down about there, but it kept going higher. That's good. So it should make the next leg up to 3,000. Excuse me. I better draw some lines. I don't like that color. There we go. Let's draw another one up here. At 3.5. Got a clear uptrend, which is what we like to see. The ups and downs are expected as long as they follow a eventual upward order. But let's get rid of this. Let's make this longer. Up to that 3,000 mark. It'll probably move quicker. The market corrected, sure. Lots of, hundreds of billions in liquidations, sure. But sentiment has never been higher. Interest in crypto has never been higher. So we need to get up above 29 here. Want to see us do something like this. Probably get rejected there again, but make a higher low. Maybe even get rejected there again at a higher low and eventually get above it and move sideways. Eventually go higher. If things take a long time. But if crypto bounces back as quick as we keep seeing it bounce back, then this is what's going to happen. We're just going to make a new all-time high here in a couple weeks. And Ethereum will be up to $5,256 with a 100% gain in 47 days. If we repeat history, that's all. So my projections are a lot more bearish, but I like to show both the bullish and the bearish. And I'm bullish, to be quite honest. I think it might even recover faster. I think it might even move faster than this move. All I did was copy and paste this. And I think this was natural growth, but we had a sharp decline. So I think we might even have a sharper comeback. And especially the sentiment in scaling solutions like Polygon, MATIC, especially MATIC, and Ren. Ren's had an awesome run. Yeah, Matic's almost all the way recovered already. And DeFi tokens, I think, they're already getting scooped up by the big institutions. The institutions are scooping up. Ren is still down so far. That's a great buying opportunity, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. It says so in the description of everything I do, but yesterday was great. Today's starting off great. And if it corrects, and it's a great DeFi token. So if it does what it did, let's see. I've never look at this wick to wick. I've never seen this, by the way. From this wick to that wick, 98% loss. Can you believe that? I've never seen a 98% drop. Imagine Ren holders when it dropped to 98%, when it dropped to a fraction of a cent, when it was up to $2. Jeez, Louise, that was a big sell. Like a whale got out. But the price corrected immediately, and there's some good gains coming. There are 200% gains just to get back up to where it was. And if DeFi tokens get bought up like I think they're gonna, wrong tool again. If DeFi tokens get bought up like I think they're going to, and we're gonna have a quick recovery like I think we're going to, and it's gonna look something like this. And Ren will be back over $2 within. It'll be at $2.08 within 56 days with a gain of 253%. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy with a chart. But this chart it's probably going to play out in a way like this. I think we're going to have an even stronger comeback. We're going to have a stronger move than this because this was natural growth. We had an unnatural dump. So now we see in crypto when we have dumps, we have quick recoveries. Maybe not on this coin here. It's probably not the best example, but we can show you with Ethereum. Well, Matic's a good one. It dumped down, had a quick recovery, quicker than its natural growth. See, and it came up really high because it was supposed to. MATIC is a scaling solution that makes gas fees on Ethereum super cheap. And that is what everybody wants right now. Period. So it's going to continue growing, in my opinion. And $3 could be a week away. Bitcoin sitting at 37,000 is something else. But when in doubt, zoom out. This triangle is nothing, means nothing on the larger scale. It's bullish for the day that we came out of it and on the week. But when in doubt, zoom out. This was 2017, 2018. It's small now. If you bought the peak, if you bought the top, the very top, and held on to it to this day, you're up 100% still, 91%. And I mean, it took a long time. That's not good profits, but very few people bought the peak and still held it. If you bought anywhere else, check this out. If you bought right here, and then it dropped, but you held on to it, you're up 273% in a little over a year. That's not bad at all. Or if you bought the dip when everything got shut down, remember? If you bought that dip and held on, and you're still holding, you're up 700% in a little over a year with Bitcoin. That's not bad. When in doubt, zoom out. That used to be our goal. We were this whole area up here did not exist on the chart. Pretend that's not there. It was just this. Actually, this wasn't even here either. And remember before just erase all this and pretend that's not all there. We get jaded. We get jaded too quickly and expect too crazy gains. Scratch it all out. That's not even there. That doesn't exist. All we have. Remember this, guys? This was our chart. This used to be our chart. It wasn't a good chart, but it was the only chart we had. And our dream was $20,000. None of this is here. And then we just dumped. So now we're in March of 2020. Take yourself back. Mid-March 2020, Bitcoin dropped to $4,000. It really dropped to $3,800. That was the only chart we had. And 20,000 looked like a far, far, far away. We didn't expect it this quick. Look at this chart. It just dwarfs the old chart. So when in doubt, zoom out. This is the chart. This is what we've done now. So of course it's going to pull back like this, but it's just another buying opportunity. Just like this was. Just like this was. Even this. This. I mean, this whole phase here was a buying opportunity for this pump. And now it's dropped again. It's a buying opportunity for the next pump. this is going to look small. One day, this peak here is going to be that one there. And I have a feeling this one's really not even going to register as we see this chart play out. Because I think it's going to move something like this. It's not going to take years. It's going to take weeks to get back to where we were. All right? It's going to look more like this. This is just a leg up. This is just a bounce before the next leg up to 100K. Again, nobody thinks I'm a financial advisor. But yeah, I can see 200%. I can see us going to 100K. I thought we'd be at 100K by the end of by the end of this year. We'll be over 100K by the end of this year, but I don't know. But when it pans out here, it says we'll be up to 83,000 in 2 months. I think it could go quicker. But that's just my prediction. Everyone's got their predictions. But when in doubt, zoom out. It doesn't matter when you buy these coins. Cardano. Let's take a look at Cardano because it's my favorite. And smart contracts come out in like 30 days, buddy. Oh boy. There's a summit on the 6th in Miami. Hoskinson's gonna be there. Looking good, Cardano. See, ADA luckily had that huge run up right before the drop. That's why ADA is one of the few that's still up on the month. Look at this. Smart contracts are coming. The network's going to expand like crazy. We're going to be at $3 in a couple weeks. I'm assuming. Maybe even sooner. It could be at $3 tomorrow if we're lucky. Things pick up pace. Get good sentiment. Some good news from the Fed or something. Yeah, we could be at $3 in like 11 days, 10 days. We could do it tomorrow. We could get there today if some good news pops up. Speaking of news, I just saw Elon Musk trending. Let's find out why. Why can't I browse Twitter without logging in? That's dumb. I can. Cool. Why is he trending? Elon Musk was trending. He's always trending, though. What did he do, though? SpaceX. It's just people using his name. I like to actually look at his account to see if he actually said something, because people just use his name. OG smartwatch sounds kind of fun. Dogfest sounds kind of fun, he said. And everybody's retweeting it, I bet. He said, when did he say it? What time? Oh, what, 2 a.m.? So in the middle of the night, early this morning, somebody posted who would go to Dog Festival, and Elon said, sounds kind of fun. And then, what's this? OG smartwatch. That's cool. Someone actually made a hot tub that's heated by Bitcoin mining. Nice. Okay. So at least he's talking positive about Bitcoin, about the good things, right? Let's see what he agreed about here. If it's about crypto. No. He agreed about something about Tesla cars. Okay. Great. Okay, he laughed at a Dogecoin. We're here. We're just here as a joke to piss off Bitcoin. We're fucking pissed. That's right. Mission accomplished. So Elon's a troll. We all know this. All right, that's enough of that. Atari news. I think you might have already seen this on my stream if you watch my stream, but they officially launched their NFTs. Atari NFT.io. Some reason they're using this. It's the Wax partnership that they announced a long time ago. You can buy old cartridge games as NFTs. And you need a Wax cloud wallet, which is weird. I've never heard of Wax, but whatever. And the price is, this is the minute graph. It's crazy. If you look at the daily, it's a lot different. Or the hour, it's a lot different. See if we can reset chart here and make it full screen. Yeah, it's crazy. The market cap is so low. It had a high of 63 cents. We're trading now at 14 cents, but it's actually on Uniswap for 11 cents, I think. Atari is going to release their wallet where you can buy it with USD right through the wallet or with any other crypto right through the wallet at AtariToken.com. But that's for another video. So I think the market's going to have a straight comeback. Especially some coins like Phantom. Going to put in a lot of gains, I bet. Phantom helps Ethereum scale. All the tokens like Aave, see, it has to go 245%. It dropped to get back to where it was, 245%. And it's a great project. Usage has gone up, even though it's gone down. And Luna price. This is another one that's gonna have a V-shaped recovery, in my opinion, my financial opinion. This is a copy of this. The sentiment is good. Luna has great DeFi, and it's all about DeFi. Institutions are buying DeFi. I know you guys hate that word, institutions. But it's going to be Aave, Uniswap, SushiSwap. Sushi especially because of the dividend, pretty much. By holding X Sushi, you get a percentage of fees. Uniswap doesn't do that. Uniswap, you get a percentage of staking. You get transaction fees. But Sushi and Uniswap are two plays I think are going to do huge. All the good DeFi tokens like SNX, Synthetics, Ethereum's going to make it. Cardano's going to add some competition, but Ethereum's going to make it, and DeFi is huge. I mean, people are still setting up banks. Companies, put their money in crypto right now do not care about the environment. Sushi was 23 bucks. Now it's 11. It came all the way down to 6 bucks. That means it will be 400% gains about. That's 266 to get back up to 23. Yeah, Sushi Swap and Uniswap. Phantom. Harmony 1. Absolutely. I can't forget that one. Harmony 1. If you like the content, hit the thumbs up. And join my Telegram, t.me/thecryptolodge. t.me/thecryptolodge. And if this all pans out the way I believe it will, I mean, Harmony 1 is one of the best projects. And that's indisputed, even Charles Hoskinson said. So that's going to conclude the stream today. The Telegram is t.me/thecryptolodge. And if you like the content, hit all the thumbs up and bell buttons you see on your screens. Because I broadcast on so many different platforms. I don't even know what's going on out there. I'll see you guys next time.